Hey guys, welcome to our VTS channel. So today we are going to do a brief comparison between the iPad 10.2 inches 2019 version versus the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So let's begin.
A few moments later.
So firstly we are going to differentiate between these two on the basis of display. If I talk about the iPad, it has a retina display with IPS technology and it can show a max brightness up to 500 nits, which is quite good, and it also supports Apple Pencil. On the other hand, if I talk about the Samsung Tab, its display size is 10.4 inches and it is a TFT display and it produces a max brightness of 435 nits. So next we are going to talk about the chipset used. The Apple iPad uses A10 Fusion chip, which has a 64-bit architecture, whereas the Samsung Tab S6 Lite uses the Samsung's own Exynos 9611, which is a 10 nanometer chip, and it has a CPU which is octa-core and it uses the GPU Mali G72. So next comes the camera. In case of Apple's iPad, it has a main camera of 8 megapixel with f2.4 aperture and it can record videos at 1080p at 30 fps and slow motion videos at 720p at 120 fps. The front camera in case of Apple's iPad is 1.2 megapixels only and at f2.2 aperture and can shoot videos at 720p HD. Whereas in case of Samsung, it has a main camera of 8 megapixel with no flash. The camera can record 1080p at 30 fps. The front camera in case of Samsung is 5 megapixel and can record video at 1080p at 30 fps. So next comes storage. The Apple's iPad comes with two storage options, that is 32GB and 128GB, whereas the Samsung's come with an internal storage of 64GB and it can be expanded up to 1TB since it has a micro SD card slot present in it. So next we are going to talk about the RAM. The RAM in case of Apple's iPad, it is 3GB only, whereas in case of Samsung it is 4GB. Next comes battery. The battery in case of Apple's iPad, it is 8827 mAh, whereas in case of Samsung it is 7040 mAh only. So next, the color options which you get. The Apple's iPad comes in three color options, that is space gray, silver and gold, whereas the Samsung comes in blue, gray and pink color options. So at the end comes the pricing. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is priced at 27,999 in India with Wi-Fi only, whereas the Wi-Fi plus cellular version is priced at 31,999 rupees. If I talk about Apple's iPad 10.2, the Wi-Fi plus cellular model with 128GB is priced at 48,900, whereas the iPad 10.2 with Wi-Fi only 32GB storage is priced at 29,900. So at the end the question comes, which one should you buy? In my opinion, a person who is already into the Apple ecosystem, he can go with the iPad mini 10.2, no issues there. But a person who is not into that ecosystem kind of thing, he can go for the Samsung Tab S6 Lite as it is very good, since it is very pocket friendly for the person who wants to get the total experience of the tablet. Since it has the S Pen from Samsung which is in the box, you don't have to pay extra money, as in case of Apple you need to buy the Apple Pencil as it does not comes with the iPad mini. So in that way we can justify between these two, but both of them are good in their own way. So thank you. If you liked my video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also do subscribe my channel so that I could bring more videos like this to you all. Thank you.